So friends, now we are going to solve vinculum. V board mass. V stands for vinculum. V board mass is an extension of the traditional board mass rule. It introduced the letter V at the beginning, which stands for vinculum or a bar bracket. This rule dictates the exact order in which you must solve a complex mathematical expression. So now V stands for vinculum, bar bracket, B stands for brackets, parenthesis, square or curly brackets. D stands for division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now we are going to break down this expression into step-by-step solution. First step, we have to solve this vinculum part under the bar first. Don't include the sign because sign is the outer of the bar. So first we have to solve 9 minus 3, which is the bar, equals to 6. Now the equation becomes 45 minus square bracket 38 minus curly bracket 60 divided by 3 and then minus 6 and then square bracket off. Now the step 2, rounds bracket. As you can see, 6 minus 6. So solve for the inside the parenthesis. 6 minus 6 equals to 0. And now the equation again becomes is 45 minus 38 minus curly bracket 60 divided by 3 and then minus 0. So now the third step says you have to solve the curly bracket. Divide before the subtracting inside the braces. So first 60 divided by 3 equals to 20. And then after you have to solve 20 minus 0 equals to 20. Now the again equation becomes 45 minus square bracket 38 minus 20. Now the square bracket off. Now the step 4. As you can see, solve for the final brackets. So there is a 38 minus 20 square brackets. After subtraction you will get 18. Now equation becomes 45 minus 18 and then you have to again subtract. So subtraction says you will get 27. So 27 is the final correct answer. There is an important note. People who don't know the vinculum means, vinculum rule, so they will calculate minus 9 and minus 3 as a minus 12, ending up with an answer of 15. So challenge you. Viewers, did you get 27 or a 15 as an answer? So please tell me in the comment section. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye.